derivative. So, gamit tayo ng chain rule at derivative ng general exponential function. So, ito na yung formula para sa general exponential function para makuha natin yung derivative. So, identify muna natin ano yung A and then ano yung B. So, yung A natin, yung constant 7. And then, yung U pala, hindi B. Yung U, of course, yung exponent na x square. So, based dito sa formula, kunin natin yung derivative ng U. So, du over dx. So, ito yun. Du over dx is equal to x square. Ayan. I know, 2x na pala. So, 2 times 1, 2. 2x. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So, 2x na lang yung du over dx. So, ngayon ay substitute na natin para makuha natin yung sagot. Okay, ito na yung magiging final answer natin dito. Yung A, of course, yun yung 7. And then yung U, x square. Ayan. And then, multiply sa ln, yung A natin ay 7. And then, yung du over dx natin is 2x. So, for the final, 7x squared times ln 7 times 2x. So, of course, it will become 2x times 7x squared times ln 7. So, ito yung kanyang derivative. The general exponential function.